Indoor plants have become increasingly popular in recent years as people look to bring a bit of nature indoors. There are a variety of low-light plants that can transform any home into a lush and inviting oasis. Indoor plants typically require less light than other houseplants, making them ideal for rooms with north-facing windows. Number 1. Snake plant. Native to West Africa, this hardy plant can grow in even the darkest corners of your home. It's also known for its air-purifying qualities and can remove toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from the air. Snake plants, or also known as mother-in-law's tongue, require very little water, making them a great choice for busy people or those with brown thumbs. Number 2. Pothos. Pothos plant, also known as devil's ivy, is a great low-light houseplant that can tolerate almost any level of light. This hardy plant is a great choice for beginner plant owners and those with low light conditions. Number 3. Peace lily. The peace lily is a tropical plant that can be a great choice for those looking for an indoor low-light plant. It is beautiful and it is one of the few plants that can even survive in a completely dark room. The peace lily also cleans the air, eliminating toxins like benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene. Number 4. Dracaena. Dracaena is a genus of plants that are popular houseplant options due to their low light requirements. As an added bonus, Dracaena plants are known to be effective air purifiers, so they can help improve the quality of your indoor air. Number 5. Spider plant. This perennial flowering plant is easy to care for and thrives in indirect sunlight. It's also known for its air purifying properties as it helps to filter out pollutants like formaldehyde and xylene. It's an ideal choice for people who want a low-light plant that won't require too much maintenance or special care. What are your thoughts on this video? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more home improvement, technology, and design tips. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.